Wala na. Yan, may galat shoutout sa ating 18 viewers. Baka naman. Wala pa nagko-comment yan. Yan, baka may mga katanungan kayo about sa sasakyan or sa motor. Yan, mga basic DIY, tuturo ko sa inyo. Yan. I wanna see like she got something alright. She said, we're just prisoners here with a long behind. We're just thinking about far away. Another side, like dirty old California. Layo, you know? Hirap tayo, di ba? WhatsApp na lang, WhatsApp. Yan, may galot shoutout sa ating 11 viewers. Agas is our vlogs in the house. Aral-aral muna tayo mag-gitara. Yan, Chian Vlogs. Yan, may galot shoutout Chian Vlogs from UA. Yan. At sa aming admin dito sa aming Team Universe, Ma'am Mary Gamayo. Yan, may galot shoutout. At yan, Bicolana Bisaya. From Biliran Province at Vanessa Calves, yan, Jonathan Cesar Calves, yun, may galot shoutout. At sa isang, may naano tayo sa isang content creator na di ko alam kung may to si Levy Jake. Di ko alam kung may siya, yung may tawag nun. May YouTube siya, yan. Levy Jake, yan, siya sa FB, medyo tanyag siya sa FB. Isang Seaman Farer dati, yan. Yan, nawala na po siya, nag-passing away 5 days ago. 5 days ago ba? Mm-hmm. Ooh, 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 and I try. Oh my God, I try to single man forever sure. And so I cry sometimes when I lie in bed, just getting along what's in my head at night. I'm feeling a little peculiar. Until I wake in the morning and I step outside. It's the 7 again. Wanna get well night. When the top of my lungs, what's going on? Sus, grabe boses natin. Wala sa tono. Yan. Ooh. Ooh. Yan, thank you sa ating 1 million viewers, 1,000 viewers. Inom na tayo. Please hug din my FB, yan, Agas Cesar Vlogs. At yan, more on DIYs tayo, pero ngayon medyo nag-ano tayo ating FB, nagpahinga tayo, gawa ng in-review yung ating FB, kaya dito muna tayo sa YT kasi hindi pa naka-monetize tong YT natin.